So today we're going to talk about neck pain here. It's one of the most common issues we see at the Joint Chiropractic. After doing a thorough evaluation, what we do is search for the joints that get stuck, restricted, and inflamed, and we restore that motion properly with a nice adjustment, which we'll see here. So, take the neck, very gently, just move it here, and one more for the lower neck. Perfect. So that's a neck adjustment, restoring proper motion into the spine, helps decrease inflammation, nervous system function, and helps get you on the path to healing properly. We're open 7 days a week, so come on in and see us. We got your back.